In this quick guide, we'll walk you through how to install and set up the HelloSend integration with Zoho CRM, connect communication channels like SMS, calls, and WhatsApp, and start messaging your leads directly. Start by heading to the Zoho Marketplace. Search for HelloSend or simply type SMS in the search bar. Once HelloSend appears in the results, click on it. Then click Install to begin the integration process. To continue, you'll need to allow permissions and accept the privacy policy and terms of service. Next, choose the user or profile you want to install HelloSend for. Click Confirm to proceed. That's it. Click Accept to authorize HelloSend to access your Zoho account data. Inside HelloSend, you'll find 3 powerful channels: SMS, calls, and WhatsApp, all in one place. In this example, we'll go with SMS via Twilio. Enter your Twilio credentials and click Authorize. Once connected, select the phone number you'd like to use and toggle it on. You're now ready to start sending SMS directly from Zoho CRM. Thanks for using HelloSend.